In this tutorial, we'll go over working with characters. As you can see, I have a short scene here of an award ceremony, and I'd like to add a character to it. So let's do that. First, let's place the playhead where we'd like the character to appear. I'm thinking at about 1 second in would be nice. Next, let's select a character. Do that by going to the Characters tab and selecting the character that you'd like. I'll take this lady. You just click and drag the character into the scene. As you can see, nothing really has happened yet. There's an empty outline representing her. That's because she has not yet popped into the scene. If I click play, here she comes. By default, each character comes on and then disappears after 2 seconds. You can adjust that by stretching the bar that represents the character to the desired amount of time. I would like her to be a little bit larger in this scene, so I'm going to select her and then click on this green square and drag my mouse until she's the size I'd like. I think this will be fine, and I'm just going to position her by dragging her right here onto the carpet. At this point, she just pops in and then disappears soon after. What I would like to do is add another action. Rather than just having her on for 2 seconds and then disappearing, we'd like to have her for the entire scene, and we'd like to have her do a few other things than just stand there. So if you click this plus button in the bar, you get some more options, and these are for different types of animations you can have your character do. So I've got the type, which would be if she's angry, clapping, dancing, exercising, flying in, holding a camera, holding a trophy, saying hi, doing yoga, and more. You can also control the in and out effects by selecting them. Right now she's bouncing in and out, but she could also just appear instantly, grow, or alpha, which is basically fading in or fading out. So let's have our character do something. Let's have her clap. And if you take your playhead, you can scrub back, you can see this, or you could just hit play. There she is, she appears, she's clapping, and then she bounces back out. So that's fairly short. Let's do something else. Let's click the plus button, and let's have her do a little dance. So now if we hit play, here she comes, she claps, and she dances, yay! And finally, what would be an award ceremony without an award, right? So let's have her get that trophy. There just so happens to be an animation for that, so let's take it. And now let's see what happens. Here she comes, clapping, dancing, and getting her award. Finally, you can adjust the timing of everything by shrinking and expanding the actions as needed. I'm going to have her idle a little less, and let's see, have her dance a little bit more. And then we're just going to drag the whole thing over so it ends down here at the same time the scene ends. Okay, one final look. Here we go. And that's how you work with characters. Thanks for watching.